for tuning in, folks. Welcome to Vintage King Motorsports. This is another vintage Homelite XL Super 2 chainsaw. It's in pretty good shape. No broken or damaged cases. The original bar. Engine does start and run fine. It does sometimes act a little finicky when starting, so we recommend either cleaning or replacing the carburetor or fuel lines. But sometimes it does act a little finicky when you first start. Other than that, it's a great little saw. Homelite XL Super 2 automatic oiling. Nice little vintage saw. Vintage King Motorsports, when quality and price matter most.